Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So yeah, I've got a few goodies here to show you from Fansells. Two diamond painting related and one a little bit different. So let's go for the diamond painting first. You might have got a slight hint as to what the other one was due to the box, but we'll do that one last because it's not telling everything. And let's have a look at what's in these packages first. Some goodies to show you all. So this first one, oh, I know what this one is. So this one is a little bit different. It's not a full normal drill. This one is a special drill diamond painting. So let me see if I can get it to lay flat with the paper helping me, though once this has been piled up with the others for a day or two, it will settle down. But this one's a special diamond painting of a sun and a moon. I thought this was really pretty. So this has 12 diamonds or 12 shapes with it. You get a basic toolkit with a couple of baggies. And then we get some gorgeous diamonds. So let's have a look at the basic shapes first. So we have some white that have got the AB coating. They haven't got the facets. They are just smooth and round, a bit more like a pearl, but they do have the AB coating. We have some orangey crystals and some yellow ones, silver, slightly bigger in red and in gold, then bigger in white with the AB coating. Then we have some teardrops in what looks like a pale yellow and a silver, and then we've got another silver. I'm trying to make sure the light captures them, it's very weird. Then we have some in gold, teardrops in gold, and then we have one big pink one, which I'm guessing is that one right there in the middle. Number 11, it is. So we just get the one for in the middle, but that is all we need. So I suppose it's quite easy to count to one without having to put in a few extras just in case. I will pop links to all of these down below so that you can find out the pricing, but they are not expensive. Not for what you get anyway, for definite. It is classed as a 30 by 30, but the actual diamond area, if we just go from the blue, so the printed area that you would frame is 24 by 24. And of course there is a bit of that before you actually get to the design, but that's really nice. And it looks amazing once finished. It does look really good. So that is number one. Number two. Let's have a look at number two, if I can get in it. Here we go. Do we have a full diamond painting drill on this one? Oh, we do. So this one I just thought was a bit of fun. So this one is Mickey and Minnie under a Disney moon. And I know there are quite a few people that like to do Disney diamond paintings. So my last order from Fansells I think had one or two in. I can't remember if it was one or two, but you'll see them in the upcoming unboxings anyway. But yeah, I just thought that one was kind of sweet, and I do like moons. So we've got a basic toolkit. We do not have DMC numbers with this one. So we have 20 with, it is in round, very clear symbols. So the symbols are beautiful. Not even sure if you can see them that close up, but there's no blurring. They do use white on the dark colours. Let's have a look at the colourings. But yeah, we've got no DMC numbers on the packets. So we do have some greys and what looks like black. A few more greys. We have little pops of red and of course of yellow, as you'd expect. We've got quite a bit of blue and grey for that sun. Got quite a bit of blues, but that's nice for the night sky. Some what looks like 939, very dark blue, guessing also in the sky, and then some white to go in with the moon. Is it 4 that I want? No, it's 3 that I want. Try and fold them up properly. I try and fold them up sort of the way they come, but it doesn't always work that way. As long as they go roughly right and back into the packet. Because I have quite a few of these, that now tends to be the way that I keep them stored. The actual diamond painting area for this one, it looks like it's a bit smaller. Yeah, it is. So it's 23 by about 32.5. So it has got a little bit of a wider border than normal. But I think for the image, it turns out that you can make out exactly what that is, which is the main reason, isn't it? And then to show you one of the other things they do, so this one is my non-diamond painting item, and this one's a jigsaw. Now it's already open at this end, but there are multitudes of pictures to pick from, so while the box is generic, I chose this one. And I'm not sure which way up it goes. I think it might be that way. It's sort of like a Rubik's Cube, and of course lots and lots of different sizes and avenues. It's got that sort of look to it. But if we're going to do a puzzle, I like a challenging puzzle. So I think this is going to be something that we're going to do over Christmas. I'm sure it will keep the whole family busy. All comes in a bag. It is a 1,000-piece jigsaw. You do get some silica in it. It's tough cardboard. I mean, they're not expensive, these jigsaws. It is thick cardboard, but it isn't as thick as, say, maybe a jigsaw piece that you purchase from a toy store. It's hard to even tell how thick that is. It is quite a thick jigsaw, but it would bend if you mess with it too much. But for the price, if you like to do a jigsaw puzzle or two over Christmas, it looks pretty good. I'll have to let you know, of course, what it's like once we've finished it. But apart from a few flaky bits, you know, it does look as though, you know, that the pieces aren't that close together that they would fit in even if they shouldn't. And it's definitely going to keep us busy. There are a few little edges where I think it's lost a little bit of colour as they've come apart from each other. Oh, and they does look like it has the alphabet. So maybe it means that the B are close together. Maybe you could do it by section. So they're B's, that's an F, that's an F, so maybe that goes near that one. No, I thought that was actually going to fit in there then. That would have been funny, wouldn't it? That's a B, so maybe that goes over this side. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm guessing they do have, because that one is a mixture of C and D. So maybe that could help with the complexity of it all. No, they actually don't fit together as well as I thought they may do. So that could potentially help with the complex if you divvy it up into letters of the alphabet. I'm seeing B and F and C and D. Is there any more? I'm seeing A and E. So maybe it goes all the way from A to F. But yeah, that might be able to help you to sort of whittle it down a little bit. But as I say, I think this will be something that is fun for over Christmas, and it doesn't cost much at all. So if you're a fan of jigsaws, it's definitely a way to get a few and keep the family entertained over Christmas. But I'll pop a link down below to the one I got, and of course there are absolutely loads there, from the really complicated to the nice pictures, and then they just come in a blank box, or a generic box should I say. Let me just get all the bits off the table. They come in a generic box, but you do get a picture to tell you what it is you got. So that's the unboxing for today. We have Mickey and Minnie, a little bit of a romantic moment under the moon, the jigsaw puzzle, and then if you like your special shapes, this sun and moon is absolutely gorgeous once done. But I say, click on the link and you should be able to see that finished. It's amazing how these special ones come to life when you do them. These do as well, but more so with the special. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's selection. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.